In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Microsoft Planner, a simple and effective way to make your project management smoother and more connected. To start, log into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're in, look for the Planner icon on your homepage and click it. This will take you straight to the Planner dashboard where you can view all your existing plans. Next, head over to My Plans and open the plan you want to work on. Inside your chosen plan, select the specific task you'd like to link. Now, click on the three dots, that's the More Options button, and choose Copy Link to Task. This copies the task's URL link to your clipboard. Then, open another task where you want to place this link. In the Notes section, simply paste the link you just copied. That's it. You've now linked one task to another in Microsoft Planner. This method helps your team stay organized and easily navigate between related tasks, keeping all important details just one click away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials for Microsoft Planner tips and tricks.